Page 285. This is the reading at the top of the page. We're just reading music. This is block chords, and we're going to use the French sixth in there, but they provide the notes, so I don't have to worry about it. It's just if you want to understand the harmony and the chords, you're going to analyze it, you're going to run into that. I usually don't analyze music too much, so I ain't going to worry about it. So we're in C major, no sharps or flats, or A minor, which is, well, it ends on an A minor chord. I'm guessing we're in A minor, but I'm going to do the scales and arpeggios for both, C major and A minor. And for the diminished seventh, use the minor. So I'm going to start on the A and build minor thirds. And that's the diminished chord I'm going to practice here. 4/4 time signature, one hand at a time. Let's see what we have. 1, 2. I use thumb on both, that's fine. And it would help on the measure 4 if you'd use fifth finger there. You have 2, you can do that. And in fact, if you'd like, you can use second finger on the E, so it's here. Here, so. This way you're ready for measure 5. Then the left hand we're here. I'm going to use 5/2 to start. You don't need to use 5/1 on all this. No. Let's get some other fingers involved. Here, 5/2, and then 5/1, and then a 5/2, and then I do a 4. You can do a 5 or a 4, either one. It's just, that's what I'm after. And then for the third measure, it's a 3/1, and then a 5/1, and then a 4/2, 5/3. Again, third measure was 3/1, and then a 5/1, 4/2. See, I got repeated notes here. And then here. Then come down and do it again. And for the last 2 measures, second line, just a 3/1, 5/2. Get them all right there. Then I have to put the hands together and see what I can do here. It's here, and here. And then come down. Now, if you're going to try and sight read this, the fingering I give you probably won't come around. I mean, it's got to come naturally. You don't have to follow their fingering, is what I'm saying, but you might change the fingering if you're sight reading it. You're just using whatever fingers you can. Who's closest and most convenient at the time, go for it. But when you can actually sit down and try and figure it out, then you try and figure out a fingering that works a little more legato, a little more connected, a little easier, flows a little better, feels better. And I'm not sight reading it. I'm actually trying to get into it and dig into it and figure it out. Now, once I have the notes, then I go back over and get rid of the hesitations. The rhythm, hopefully, isn't a problem, half notes and quarter notes mostly. Then I think about the articulation. And this is 2 measure slurs. I'm going to try and connect it. I can't. Lift up. Lift up. You have to. You got to move. It's hard to hear the phrases when you're disconnecting everything because of the chords, but still try and feel the phrases. Then the dynamics, and this is hard too. I'm guessing the melody is the top note. Not much of a melody. So if it is, I want to hear that note. Well, if you can't bring out one note, if you can't bring out one note, try bringing out the right hand. Try bringing that. If that isn't working for you, then you don't bring out anything. You just play it all, chords, play everything the same. Speed-wise is largo, slow. that's a bit of a problem on piano, because when you slow down like that, it just goes note, 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 note. So we have pedal. That gives us the overtone, and it helps us connect the notes. It's going to be legato pedal. It's going to be overlapping pedal. But if you want to hear the phrasing, you got to lift the pedal up with the hands so you get a little silence. So at the beginning, notes first, then the pedal. Then change the pedal after each chord. Each chord is different, so I got to change the pedal. I don't want to smear the chords. So it's so if I want to hear the phrasing, I can lift the pedal up so I get just a hair of silence. If I don't want to hear the phrasing, I overlap it. But if I do that, I still lift up, I take a breath, I feel the phrase whether I hear it or not. And same thing at the end of the line. If you want the phrase or not, it's up to you. And at the end, everything comes up together. It's a bit of a challenge here when they're all just block chords. This is something sounds better on an organ or an instrument, or it's like a string quartet or somewhere where they can hold the notes out and control them. Here at piano, you just play them and all they do is die away. You can, if you'd like, do more with the dynamics to try and do something with it. You can put in a little swell, or what we call shape the phrases. Start a phrase out, and each phrase can have a climax, so to speak. You're going to here and then you're coming back off. So it's like here, get a little louder, come down, then again, come down. Do something with the phrases so it just isn't no, no, no. And just put it a diminuendo on the last phrase. Just let the whole thing die away, like so. Yeah. So you can experiment with the dynamics to try and give it a little interest. Let's play it together slowly and check. Are you got the same harmony that I got? I'm going to leave out the pedal because you can hear the harmony better without it. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4.